When it's time for entertainment watching, TV network number one.
And welcome back. That's right. We are on board the Soul Beat Starship Enterprise, and we're preparing to blast off as soon as Pam Stern, birthday girl extraordinaire, general manager of the Soul Beat Starship Enterprise, gets in. And we are awaiting more of our Soul Beat family. Selwyn Whitehead has already been in and extended her congrats to Pam, and she had to leave, but she left some beautiful flowers. I tell you, let me put them right here and then you can see them a little bit. Aren't those gorgeous? Wow. Aren't those gorgeous? Ooh, Tiger Lily. Ooh, y'all need to put one right up beside my head. That is so beautiful. That's for Pam from Miss Selwyn. And that is so beautiful. I love tiger lilies, honey. That's my favorite flower, I tell you. And we have a caller. Good morning, Soul Beat family. From Selwyn Whitehead.
Oh, Selwyn.
Yes.
Okay.
Good morning, Soul Beat family.
Good morning, Helen. How are you?
Oh, very well, thank you. And yourself?
Okay, I called to wish Pam a happy birthday, and I kind of have something to say to that.
Yeah.
They say that it's a man's world, and we know that Chuck Johnson is the CEO, but Sobe wouldn't be anything without the hardest working woman in show.
Girl,
honey,
you know we need to be playing James Brown.
There's a Celine in the house.
Yes.
There's a Celine in the house.
Celine, is she still around? She's right outside the door. Go get Celine. Yes, yes, child. Celine came out. Did you see her yesterday?
Woman, Pam Stern, behind the Soul Beat drum. So happy birthday.
Oh yes, indeed. You know she's gonna see this on tape because she had to run and take care of some business downtown. But we were expecting her any minute, and her mom is taping it, of course. And so I think Robert Stuckey is trying to bring Celine back in here.
Well,
but
I think give her a message to call Sheila.
Oh, I sure will.
All right, sis.
Robert, tell Celine to call Sheila.
That's right. Somebody don't forget it. I know y'all having such a good time down there. You might not remember.
That's
but
right.
remember
Tell her right now before we forget, huh? But she'll be back a little bit later. Sheila, she just went to paint me a fairy. Did you see that? All black and gold, like Soul Beat colors. Well, I think Miss Sheila's gone, but if you're watching, you know Celine's creative handiwork, and this is too beautiful. The black and gold Soul Beat color Star Fairy. I tell you, and got the little purple pusher. Isn't that chic and grand? Yeah, Robert Stuckey asked, did our little black angel have dreadlocks? Well, they can. They can have braids and dreadlocks and twists and little knots. Truly. Oh, I see Brother Dangerfield over here. Y'all better get down here and get some chicken. Because brother. I tell you, we are having a festive time down here at the Soul Beat International Television Network. So we are awaiting birthday girl Pam in the house. We've got a beautiful cake here for Pam Stern, and it says, "Happy birthday to the Queen of Soul Beat, Miss Pam Stern." So we appreciate that. Miss Ruby, I know you see that wonderful cake, and we have a caller. Good morning, Soul Beat family.
Hi, I saw you at a play at the Black Repertory Theater, and I just want to say that you were so funny, and I really enjoyed it.
Thank you so much. Which play was that?
I think it was The Prodigal Daughter.
The Prodigal Sister, girl.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh,
you
so you saw Baby
Cakes. That little thing that you press.
You saw Baby Cakes, huh? In my little playland where y'all cracking up. I know you were. I know. And I was the Queen Mother. That's right.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. And come see us again.
Okay.
All right. Love you, girl. I tell you, Soul Beat family, yes, we have been in 3 plays this year at the Black Rep, and quite a few of our Soul Beat family members have come out and supported us there, and we hope you continue, because Black Rep is another wonderful black institution that is always there in support of Soul Beat, and we need to support all of the black institutions that we have that are doing positive works in our community, because we have so few. So the ones that we do have, we certainly need to rally around them and keep them ongoing and progressive. And as we roll along here, we have, don't forget that our Hump Week with Paul Mooney will be beginning June 28th through July the 2nd at Jeffries, and brought to us by Cool Mood Productions, the same production company that brings Luenell to Jeffries on Wednesday. So we want to support them. They're a great upcoming institution as well that always is very supportive of Soul Beat. We appreciate all of the calls this morning and all this week that have helped us to keep the Starship afloat while the gang's away in San Kitts having 45 King style and Queen style fun over there in San Kitts. Good morning. We have a Soul Beat caller on the line. Good morning.
Hello.
Yes, hello. How are you?
Go ahead.
Hello.
Go ahead.
How are you?
Good morning, Pam.
Yes, well, she'll be in here in a minute, and this is all being
Can
recorded.
you hear me?
No, Pam can't hear you because she's not here yet, but she'll hear you because this is being recorded. Is this
Helen,
Leslie?
hi, this is Leslie. I'm calling from work and I don't see anything.
Hi, Leslie. It's
So that's why
Helen.
I'm
How you
talking,
doing,
because
boo?
I don't know what's actually going down there, but I wanted to be part of the festivities.
I'm so glad you called, Leslie. I'm so glad.
You're
This
doing
is
a great
Helen.
job. I did see your show the other morning.
Oh, did you?
Yes, I did. I called off from work, so I was able to see you, and you are a terrific hostess.
Well, I thank you. Hey, girl, I tell you, when I grow up, I want to be just like you and Luenell.
Quick, because I still got to learn those hand motions you do, honey. And I'm very much looking forward to Paul Mooney on Monday.
Me? Ooh, girl. And wait, you know, Cool Mood Productions, you know they brought him by the shop yesterday.
Oh,
He was
really?
at Aquarius Rising, honey, in the house. Wait, of course, we missed him, so y'all can say, out
So
in
we
the
have a lot of people
running
going, huh?
errands, and just missed him, but he came by. I said, he's a trooper and a soldier. Trooper and a soldier. We love Paul Mooney, and that's why we gonna be there with bells on, ain't we, Leslie? We gonna
Well,
be
you
up
know
there.
how we do it.
Yeah, thank you.
You know how we do it.
Remember that
But I was
time?
hoping to catch Pam to wish her a very, very happy.
Okay, she'll be here
But
in a
would you
minute.
relay that message to her for me?
I promise.
And let all the Soul Beat people know that we're fortunate to have her, you know, in our camp.
Yes,
And that,
indeed.
you know, we couldn't have done any better.
We-
And relay that to Pam also.
That's right.
I got to get back to work before I lose my job.
Hey, Leslie,
Huh?
tell them that you're on the. This is Leslie from the News Hour, the anchor woman from the
I
News
can't hear
Hour.
you.
Oh, you can't hear me. Anyway, I know you got to get back to work, and I'll give it to him later. You have a good one, baby.
We'll talk to you
Twinkle on
later.
out.
Okay.
All right.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Love you.
Thank
Bye-bye. That is Leslie Hope, the beautiful, lovely Nubian queen, wife of Robert Stuckey, our soldier down here. Both of them are soldiers. Here come Miss Brown up in the house in her black and gold Soul Beat colors, looking like the queen that she is, honey, in her royal regalia. And got a doll over here, too. How you doing, sweetie?
I'm blessed,
Yes,
lady.
absolutely.
Ooh, I'm blessed.
Oh,
God, another day.
absolutely. God is moving and a working in a mighty way.
Yeah, I got Pam's.
Turn this mic on, okay? Okay.
I got Pam's birthday present here.
Oh, goody, good. Ooh, ooh,
There's a little story behind that book.
that is too beautiful.
She-
Pam is gonna have a fit, girl. Miss Brown.
I had given her one
Uh-huh.
for the beautiful job that she came out to my home and did when they filmed my commercial.
Yeah.
And her mother saw it,
Uh-huh.
and she said her mother just claimed it.
Did she?
And it's been a while, so I said, well, you know, what can I get her for? But then I thought, let me get her another doll. Same color, it's probably decorated different.
Yes.
And give it to her, and so she have her own doll.
Oh, and she is going to be thrilled. And Miss Brown,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
should give them your number because this is one of the beautiful Trajan dolls that Mrs. Brown does, and they open up and you can store different things inside of them, but they are decorated beautifully. And it's also a music box. And this looks like one of our little Bahian ensembles because they wrap the head like that, and they usually, they usually do it in white. But it's the same shapes and everything, real African and everything. That's beautiful. And hers is red. How apropos. That's beautiful. You know, that's a gorgeous, gorgeous Trajan doll. Tell them where to reach you.
They can reach me at area code 510-536-2612. And my address is 2345 East 22nd Street. And that's right off of 23rd Avenue in East Oakland. Come off of Foothill or MacArthur, whichever one you want to come off of, and you will get there. Either call me, and I'll give you direction. It's so easy. And my dolls and I would just welcome you.
Well, all right. I tell you, see there, Miss Brown. Wait a minute. I see Billy Jones coming in the
you know,
door.
You get no sleep.
Billy
We
Jones.
stayed up
Lord
till
have
4 o'clock
mercy.
or 5 o'clock.
I see Edwin Parker. Edwin Parker, the Watkin man, up in the house, then come down here to get some fried chicken. Don't hide that chicken from Billy. Robert Stuckey. Hide that chicken. Yeah, that's right.
Chicken over there by you.
That's right. I know it. I know you did. How you doing, Billy?
You would sit down here for just a moment and say hello, Helen.
Hi, Billy.
Hello, Sister Brown.
Hi, baby. But didn't you get any sleep at all?
No, but I came down to get some chicken, and I'm out of here right now. Also,
You ought to quit.
I just want to quickly just say to our leader, who is Pam Stearns at this point, I want to say to Pam, we love you, and happy 21 years of living. And those plus years too, because she's a gorgeous, gorgeous lady.
Yeah.
And
yeah.
you know, just tell me about it. We've got a young black woman running a television station that's 24 hours a day. Nobody else.
100% black.
100% black.
Hello.
Yeah. 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 You know, and if they can see the Soul Beat team just keeps on growing, just keeps on moving. And now I'm going to leave you with the tremendous, beautiful, wonderful.
Oh, kill you, Billy. My Sagittarian compadre over there. Okay. I'm talking about where the chicken. Y'all hear his big old mouth. And Billy, hey, that's why Billy's going to lead the walk on this Saturday. He and Iris, that's right, because they got to walk that bird off. Okay?
That's right.
Yeah, that's right. We got dirty rice over there, Miss Brown,
Well,
and
you know, God is good.
greens and tater salad. Celine brought all that, and
Well, you
Mr.
know,
Yarbo is sending stuff, and we got more things coming. The cake,
Look,
champagne.
Billy and I were talking about last night on Post Week, the love the family has.
That's right. We
for
have a
one
call.
another.
Okay.
Come
Just
on,
one
caller.
second, then we're going to pick back up on that note about the love the family has, 'cause we definitely need to expound on that. Good morning, Soul Beat family.
Again, Helen, I want to say hello to Billy.
Billy.
One of the kindest and gentlest persons I know. I do love
That's
Billy
right. Get your
Jones.
head up. Now, it's a great time to hide the chicken. Okay. Wait.
Hi, handsome.
Hello, how you doing?
Fine, I'm doing fine. I just want to say hello to you. And so, you know, just to look at you.
Thank
just
you.
Oh, my goodness.
You know, I'm just so happy to be privileged to sit here on the Morning Beat set. Hey, you know, and just let me do it this way.
There you go.
Billy. I wish I was there. That's all I had to say. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Family, you know it ain't nothing but a party. Okay, I
You got
know
me
it.
losing sleep.
I hear all the Soul Beat family up. I wake up different times of night. I see Billy up there. I hear everybody on the phone. I said, now this is truly like this is better than the party line in the old days. You remember? Because it's like everybody's in on the connection, you know? So that's wonderful. Soul Beat family, celebrating Pam Stearns' birthday right here at Soul Beat. So she should be down here in a minute and everything, and we are getting the festivities all ready for her. so that when she gets in, she can see her lovely cake and this beautiful Trajan doll from Mrs. Brown. And there's a caller on the phone. Good morning, Soul Beat family.
Again, and I didn't twinkle in this morning. Hi, Miss Brown.
That's right.
I'm just sitting here, I'm just almost to cry.
Oh, don't
Why?
Because I want to be there and can't be there.
Oh.
I'm
Come
so
bring the
sad.
baby. Come bring the baby.
No, I can't do that. He come down there and turn the party out.
But you in spirit, Miss Thomas.
He'll turn the party all the way out.
Say the party be topsy-turvy, huh?
Yeah, I can't plus, I really don't have a way to get down there either.
Oh, you don't?
I don't know. I don't have no transportation, but I can't bring him down there because I know how he'll act.
Oh, they sometimes, you know, we all got a little baby kid.
I just want Miss Pam to know I love her.
Yes.
I just want to let her know that I love her and that she might not be able to hear me right now, but she will on her tape.
That's right, girl.
Let
you
her
know she's
know
going to
that.
roll back the tape on the VCR.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
right.
Because it's so sweet for everybody to do this for her. Because she is like Mr. Chuck, she is doing such a wonderful, wonderful job.
Working big things.
Yeah, and you know, I didn't really know who she was.
That's right.
I really didn't. I didn't know who she was. Mr. Yarbrough called yesterday.
Yes,
But
indeed.
one of these days I'll get a chance to meet her.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
you
but
haven't met her yet?
We are close because we both evidently is cancer.
Yes, indeed.
Yeah,
yes, because
we
your
both
birthday
is
is
cancer.
Monday.
All right.
All
well,
right.
y'all have a...
We
Hi,
twinkle.
Miss Penny.
You see Miss Penny. Y'all don't see we got dignitaries and potentates
You talking
up in the
about a
house.
sweet lady.
Dignitaries and potentates up in the house.
I tell you, if you want to go somewhere with somebody, go with Miss Penny.
Hi, my poor,
Ooh, she is
my
a
sweet
lady.
baby.
I just love her.
All right, Miss. All right, Evangelist.
We got bread going across the street.
Oh, we got bread going across the camera. Lord have mercy. I know poor Mr. Chuck is over there in the islands on the computer saying, wait a minute, I know I did not just see what's really going on. Big loaf of Wonder Bread. I tell you.
Have a very blessed day now.
Nothing but a party.
Nothing but a party, Evangelist.
Miss Penny.
Evangelist, we need prayer down here. You better continue to pray for us down here.
Oh, yes, Lord Jesus. Oh, yes, Lord
All righty
Jesus.
there. So we're expecting Miss Pam down here any minute. Yes, she'll
Okay.
go take care of some business and stuff.
Okay. Miss
Oh, I
Penny.
know. I'm Penny.
Miss Penny. Mom and Pop, hello for me. Kiss Mom for me.
All right, darling.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye, Evangelist.
But I just wanted to say something about Pam before I
Please,
leave.
please,
I
Penny.
just kind of jetted in here. Y'all excuse me if I'm
And looking like a
shining. I
bazillion
just
dollars.
left
Don't
the
even,
gym and I'm
girl, please.
sweating.
You look marvelous.
I'm all wet.
Marvelous.
Your husband. Go on.
Okay.
Gorgeous as you.
Thank you. Wait. Okay.
I miss Mr.
We
Otis.
twinkled on you. I know that's right.
Yes, indeed.
Send a shout out to Mr.
I
Otis.
truly miss him. I twinkle, twinkle, twinkle.
That's right. Yeah. Twinkle him. Twinkle him. Twinkle him.
Twinkle, twinkle.
Twinkle him. Twinkle him.
My twinkle for Otis. Yes, indeed. But I don't know what time Pam is going to get here, but I just want to say happy birthday to Pam, and that I love you, Pamela, and that she is just a committed young lady.
Yeah.
And because she's young, you know, we out in the world every day, and you know, you deal with people, and you go to different businesses, different stores.
Absolutely.
And you see how some of the young people act. Everybody got attitude. They complain, and you wonder, well, what is it? You know, it's like nobody's grateful anymore to have a job. And Pam stays in the background. She does her job well.
She's
does. Committed to it. And it's not an easy job that she has entailed.
Not at
but
all.
She's committed, and she does it without complaining.
Yes, indeed.
So, Pam, have one for me. I gotta go to work. Have a
That's
flight slice of
right.
cake for me.
And some
just-
chicken.
That's right.
And dirty rice. Get you a little plate.
That's right. And just enjoy yourself. Oh, well, I will take
Yeah,
this
go on,
back to
baby.
work.
You know how we
And
do.
Enjoy your birthday, darling, and just know it's your day that the Lord gave you, honey, and
You have
enjoy
any
it
plates?
truly. Yes,
That's
please.
right.
Yes.
We
yes.
thank you,
And
Penny.
just thank you for allowing me to drop in on,
No,
on your
Penny.
show, honey. I
Get
think you've
outta
done a
here.
Great job, baby.
Girl. Thank you.
I turned the TV on and I said, look at my girl. Look at my girl. My girl is working this morning.
Hey, you all.
She just qualified.
No,
Just
thank you.
qualified,
I tell you, that Penny, she is too cool.
That's my girl,
We
y'all.
work
That's
so
my girl.
well together, I tell you. So don't forget
And
to
look
catch
at it.
our.
Yes, indeed.
That's right. We have these at both our shops.
That's all right. Okay, this is our
Barbara Roussel is in the house too, bringing goodies.
I'm gonna eat down and
Oh, she sent these. All right.
Oh, that's a
Barbara
blessing.
Roussel
All
sent
right.
some balloons.
Oh, Pam
and
gonna have a
goodies.
good time.
Yeah, we'll
Pam
buy
gonna
these.
have a good time. Yes,
Yeah, well, we can see
it.
Yeah. That's right.
www.happybirthday.com.
Ooh, okay.
That's cute.
That's
That's
cute.
cute. I like that.
Yeah,
I
like right
that.
there. Yeah. Yeah. Would you? Okay, go ahead. Okay.
Well, I'm glad it
All
was
right,
Pam's
then.
birthday. At least we get to have a good time here while they having a good time over there.
That's right. Absolutely.
Yeah.
We holding it down for them. Penny, you look so pretty.
Oh, baby, just throw something on, honey.
Girl.
Run through that gym, honey.
Yeah,
Wet
yeah.
the
So,
cake.
girl.
Get his little handmade Kleenex.
Oh, how cute. Oh,
Happy
Penny,
birthday.
she's going to be thrilled.
Oh,
Eddie Yarbo in the house
Oh, now y'all
with a
know-
bin pan of something up in here.
Now they know I got to go to work and
Go
they
on,
come with all this.
get you a plate and cat with
I hope
you.
they brought some paper plates.
We have a caller. Oops, I'm sorry, caller. Good morning, Soul Beat family.
Good morning, Helen. Can you hear me?
Wait, just a minute. Yes, now we can hear you.
Good morning, Miss Penny and Miss Brown.
Oh,
And to Helen, you look gorgeous.
thank you.
I just wanted to call in and say to Pam, I certainly concur that she deserves all the congrats that she gets. I've only
Absolutely.
met her once, and she possibly won't remember me. But this is Sister Holly, and I just want to say happy birthday, and we're all grateful for all the good things that she's
Yes,
done and
indeed,
all of
Sister
you
Holly,
are
come
doing.
on down here and get you some treats. You and Violet, get on down here. Come on.
The cat pack, huh?
Yes, child, you better get on down here. You know we love you, Sister Holly. Come on.
Thank you.
We got
Eddie, y'all bro just
And we'll
Mr.
see
Yarbo
you.
just caught a big pan. Said chicken. He said a chicken didn't stand a chance today.
But you all look beautiful, and my compliments to you all. And
Well,
I'll
thank
see you soon, probably Saturday.
Well, all right, we'll see you over there at the Pillars
Thank you,
for the
dear.
walk. Thank
Bye-bye.
you, Sister Holly. Bye-bye. Twinkle on you. That's right. You know. Celine made this one. Painted it and did all. Yeah. So she got mine, taking her to hook her up, give her cosmetic surgery. But anyway, you know what?
That is a lot of surgery.
Okay.
That's beautiful. All right.
Mr. Yarbo over here. Look at him. Just dapper Dan.
Look at it. Got his suit on.
Dapper Dan.
Here's a handsome little speck in
Okay.
pulled up in the car, just riding and styling with the jazz. Just
Hush,
playing
girl.
this mellow this
See how I make the list? See how I back the list up?
Yeah, you sure
All
do.
right now.
Yeah, you sure do.
Now I can go to work, y'all.
In the house. In the house.
You don't depend on nobody. You back
That's
the
right.
list
You
up.
back the
I can
list
go
up.
picture and plate and go to work now, y'all.
Yeah, girl.
I see the back of it.
All right.
Penny, thank you.
Oh, God bless all of you guys.
For
I
gracing
love all
our
you guys.
show.
Where's
And
those?
oh, this is over there with Chuck.
Sitting in for Lunell. Sitting in for Lunell. And this is Pam Stern's birthday.
You watch us over there.
So we gotta get
And we have a caller on the telephone. We have a caller. Soulbeat family. Here comes Barbara Roussel.
Mr. Yarborough.
Yes, good morning, Soulbeat family.
Good morning, Helen. How are you?
Oh, I'm doing fine. How are you?
I'm fine. This is Brenda.
This is who?
Brenda.
Hi, how you doing?
I'm fine. I'm calling to see if you have any more of those dresses that you have on. You are Penny at your shop?
Yes, I have a couple at the shop. I sure do.
What colors do you have?
Let's see. I think I have. Oh yes, I think I have a yellow, and I think I have a gray like this, and blue.
Are you going to get any red?
Any red?
Uh-huh.
I'll probably get some in my next shipment.
Okay. Well, looks like you guys having a good time.
Thank you so much.
Tell Pam happy birthday.
All right, thank you very much.
Okay,
Hi,
bye.
Barbara. How you doing? You look marvelous. Yes, and brought some goodies.
Come on, I got
And
a headache,
then-
Helen.
You do? Ooh, I know. Too much of that. I know that's right, Soul Beat family.
I got a
Mr.
headache.
Garbo said he's got a headache. We're waiting for Pam down here. I know you all are saying, what is going on down there? We have a caller. Good morning, Soul Beat family.
Good morning, Helen.
How are you?
This is Ann.
How you doing, Miss
I'm
Ann?
doing just great, and I call to wish Pam a happy birthday.
Thank you.
I also called to say you have my wonderful friend next to you there.
Yes,
Miss Barbara Russell, who helped me with them children. If it wasn't for her, I don't think I could be sitting here now.
Oh, I know that's right.
And I want to tell
Bye,
everybody
Penny.
in the family that Helen and Charles is just beautiful.
Oh.
The children love them almost as much as they do you, Barbara. So you guys carry on, and I'm out here checking everything out, and tell Pam I am so glad to see someone that's doing the job that I did for 40 years.
You go, girl.
I've
See
always
there.
been in the background working person, and I'm still hanging in there. I'm very proud of her.
Oh, yes, and absolutely. And we are so proud of you, too, Miss Ann. This is
you,
one of our
darling.
staunch supporters
And I
here.
want to say hello to Mr. Yarbrough, and I'm going to make CJ bring me to his house one of these
Hey,
days.
sweetheart. You know what? You see, the young people need to know, we know how to get a get together.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
See, we're not talking about a get, we're talking about a get.
That's right.
Good morning to you, sweetheart.
Good morning to you, darling. And I'll see all of you on the 4th. Is it the 4th we have another get together, or the 5th? The
What
Soul
is it? The get together.
It's a get.
On the 4th,
No, the
baby.
4th.
On the 4th.
Oh, that's going to be at the dig, so at the 4th on 73rd Avenue.
Yeah, I'll see
July
all of
the
you
4th.
there then.
July the 4th.
July the 4th.
I'm a month ahead.
All right, then.
Well, September the 4th is the ball.
Except on the 4th of July.
All right,
We're
I'll
gonna
see
have
the family members in. But
Yeah.
also, please tell Pam, happy birthday.
Oh, I sure will, Ann.
Okay.
And we love you. Say hi to CJ, Ebony, Ashley, and April.
All right, you got it right. All right. Bye-bye.
Love you, Ann.
Peace out.
Yes, we love all our folks. Miss Barbara has got all these beautiful candles here and gifts and balloons. Miss Brown just brought a beautiful doll. And then I see a beautiful candle holder that, who just brought that one in? You brought that in for Pam? Oh, she's going to love that. And I think we're going to take a break, Cavallo says over here. So we will be right back with more Pam Stearns birthday festivities. That's right. Don't go away.
Hey, mama number one. Hey, mama number one. We got it on.
When it's time